Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 8th to the 12th of July 2024 on Monday. After a few steps of success, Unontle is taking 10 step back. Nomaflawa takes back her power from Zimkhitha. Lulama's made her hunger get the better of her on Tuesday. Lulama set a diabolical plan in motion. Sivuyile speaks fire into a discouraged Nonhle. Ntando and Nomaflawa's relationship turned sour in the worst way on Wednesday. Ntando rights his wrongs. Lulama's life comes crashing down when she learns that the trap she put out for other people could kill the love of her life. Nonhle tells Funeka the long-awaited truth, but Funeka doesn't take it well on this day. Kubevu is unrelenting about his Ntando's theory and put him similarly in a tight spot. Zimkhitha is not happy to learn of Hlumelo's event from Nemesis on Friday. A stranger arrived to ruin Hlumelo's big day and bring his karma to his door. Ntando rejects the Makwetu's ancestors. Business is booming at the nail parlor. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comments below and share your opinion. Bye.